This video explains the scenarios of using the color grader feature of the PL5. The first, change the atmosphere. As shown in the scene, the light source we use is an ordinary monochromatic constant light. Its K value is fixed at 5600. Through the color grade function of PL5, we don't need to buy dual color temperature lamps or other props. We only need to change the hue. We can change the overall color temperature of the live image so as to change the ambience, and you can adjust the clarity, saturation, contrast, and so on. The second type, touch-up products. As shown in the scene, there is a piece of metal jewelry. Through PL5's color mixer function, we can individually select its gold color to optimization, and through the adjustment of brightness and contrast to enhance the product texture. The third example is vegetable salad. Through PL5's color palette function, we can select the green color of the vegetables for optimization, and slightly adjust the hue and contrast to create a sense of freshness. PL5 monitor has a built-in capture card. You do not need to connect to the traditional capture card, can be directly connected to the computer for live broadcast. First of all, we will connect the camera and the PL5. The camera's HDMI out port has micro HDMI, mini HDMI, HDMI-A, three kinds. Their role is to transmit audio and video signals, just different size. The demonstration here is Sony A6700. Its HDMI is micro port, so here we use micro HDMI to A cable to connect the monitor and the camera. After the audio and video signals are connected, we can power the PL5 in three ways. The first is to power it directly with an NPF battery. The second is to use the Portkeys BD1 double-sized NPF dummy battery that can be adapted to a V-port battery to power it and have a longer lasting life. The third is to directly use the USB 3.0 cable. One end is fixed to port C, connected to the monitor, and one end is port A or C, connected to the computer or charging plug. Next, we carry out the connection with the computer. Here the demonstration uses a MacBook and PC laptop. You need to use the data cable according to the interface of the computer. When we are connected, we open the push stream software on the computer to add the camera. Here we use OBS Studio. In the push streaming software to find the add source, and then set PL5 as the source. Format selection YUY2. Log in your account on the live streaming platform, or fill in the push streaming code. You can start the live broadcast. The demonstration here is using YouTube. Below, show some payback for your reference. More creative play you can freely play.